3 worst sounds of all time. But number 1 is actually the most beautiful sound ever. So, I'm gonna start off with the absolute worst sound ever here. Scraping on a whiteboard. I'm talking fingernails, bro. It's just so... Number 2 would definitely be writing with a marker on a piece of paper. You don't know how much that annoys me. Just it writing on the paper makes that unsatisfying, quiet, soft noise, but it sounds terrible. But number 1 and the best sound ever is you hitting that subscribe button.